Ni mutaratara urereketie gutuika watho thutha wa gwikirwo kirore ni President William Ruto muthe wa ira uria riu uheanite utheri iguru rigie wendia wa honge na kambuni itiganite cia thirikari makiriri ikoretwo ikiandikithia hathara. Kugurwa watho uyu mweru kamiti ya kuramata thuguri ya honge ici ni eheretio kiwatho kuria minista wa kigina riu athukiirwo uhoti wothe wa kumba kamiti ingi iria kunyabara thuguri ya kambuni ici. Kiuria kinene gikiumirio ria minista wa kigina thukiirwo hinya uyu wothe kuria ambunge matunyukithitio hinya wa guthurima memba ria minista uyu aendekithia na ria magirirwo gukorwo mari ataramu honge-ini itiganite undu mwe na andiki akaru aria manyitiriire ministry itiganite.
I am strong believer of government is a very bad businessman and the government should not do business. They should only do business that cannot be done by the private sector, which is mainly provision of security, and those things that cannot be competently done by the private sector. But anything else, government should not operate business activities. They should be let to private individuals or private institutions to run.
Ona kuri uguo ambunge ni mareganite na uhoro ati ni matunyitwo uge wa thuguri no riu makiuga na gutuika minista wa kigina ni uri nyabaraga wendia wa honge ici itua riake no nginya ri wacokia gucokio bunge-ini.
Also took out the decision of privatization from a single cabinet secretary to making it a cabinet decision. So there would need then for the cabinet to sit to produce a cabinet memo that outlines what the privatization program is.
Kuringana na mubunge wa Molo Kuria Kimani uria no muikariri gitwa kamite ya bunge igie kigina watho uyu ni wekirwo mogaruruku ndagika ya muthia na ugikuruhania bunge kugia na uge thuguri-ini no niguo kurugamirira muingi hari wendia wa indo ici.
And the amendments we moved at the floor of the house during the committee of the full house, we reinstated the role of parliament in privatization, and we clearly said that the cabinet has to present a privatization program to the National Assembly for approval.
Ona kuri uguo kambuni cia uthei wa cukari iria igiritanitio na thirikari ni ithengetio iteri-ini ria kambuni iria ikwendio riu thirikari ikiambika mubango wa guciriukia handu ha guciendia.
This is not part of the Privatization Act. It is part of the report on strategies to revitalize or commercialization of sugar companies.
Hari honge iria muharine wa mbere hari wendia uyu ni hamwe na ruhonge rwa kuramata gicukiro kia meri rwa Kenya Ports Authority, ruhonge rwa Kenya Pipeline, KenGen, ruhonge rwa kuramata ugendi rwa KTDC, Fegi ya Consolidated, Fegi ya Development Bank, undu umwe na ruhonge rwa urimi rwa AFC.
Walisema kama wao watarejesha bandari Mombasa, kumbe ilikuwa ni kuleta Mombasa ili wauze. Hiyo tumekataa. Tunasema ni lazima mambo haya yawekwe kwa njia ya wazi, sio mambo ya kichini chini ya kisirisiri.
Moguni maria thirikari itanyite kwamukira ni hamwe na moguni ma kibeca, kunyihia tharano ya bajeti, gukura kwa utongo wa bururi, undu umwe na kwagirithia motungata kuri muingi. Adini ya Kameme TV retwera kwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.